God my new guy knows that. Guys, I had the most amazing first date with Aditya. He's a pilot, he's so well traveled, he's so well read, and he has the best fashion sense ever. He really rocked that navy blue blazer. And I was so happily surprised क्योंकि मेरी बाकी dates का हाल तो आप सब जानते ही हैं. Let me tell you one thing, a blazer, if worn right, is the most attractive piece of fashion on a man. And thank God my new guy knows that. But for you all, let's break it down and go over the blazer basics. So, first things first, the traditional rule of thumb with a blazer is that the edge of your blazer when you're standing up should reach the knuckle of your thumb, which basically means the blazer should cover your ass and end right there. A longer blazer does nothing for your physique and is a complete no-no. When it comes to the fit of the blazer, if your shoulders are drooping, that means the blazer is too loose. And if you're not able to wear knitwear or a heavy shirt inside, that means your blazer is too tight. When you're going for a blazer, don't be afraid to go creative and bold. You can go with vibrant colors, you can go with prints like checks and stripes. You can pick from an array of fabrics from linen to velvet depending on the occasion you're getting dressed for and your style. The last rule is that a blazer is such a versatile piece. Don't have just one in your wardrobe. Go for as many as you like. So that's it guys, these are the basic rules and I promise you that if you follow them to the T, you will have a fabulous next date. So I hope you guys get it right the next time. Size does matter after all, and I mean shirts, you dirty, dirty minds. Oh, hey guys. I'm Anukriti and you can call me, well, Anukriti. And just like all girls in their mid-20s, even my parents are after my life ki beta shaadi kar lo. I need to date and get to know a guy a lot better before I actually decide to marry them. But guys, dating is hard. I really mean it. Every Friday, I go on a date and every date is a disaster. I mean, sure, प्यार अंधा होता है, लेकिन इतना अंधा भी नहीं होता कि आप अपने आप को मिरर में देखे बिना अपने फर्स्ट डेट पे आ गए. And I will explain what I mean. So last weekend, I met this guy Shubham for a date and I get that he's a struggling writer. What I don't get is that why does his shirt buttons need to struggle to keep his paunch inside? Wear a shirt that fits you well. So I have decided that I'm going to give you all some unsolicited advice. First things first, unless and until you're really, really skinny, do not go for skinny jeans. I mean guys, go for a regular fit jeans or something that suits your body type. There are so many options available on Myntra. Get them altered according to your height and your waist. Do not show me your underwear line, and really this is the most basic. Okay guys, so coming to shirts. Just because you bought a shirt doesn't mean कि तुम उसे तब तक पहनोगे जब तक उसका पोछा नहीं बन जाता. I mean, size does matter after all. You could be large, XL, double XL, and I mean shirts, you dirty, dirty minds. Well, you have to get a size that fits you well. So go on Myntra, pick the right size, get a nice muted color like a grey, navy blue, black, and trust me, you will look sophisticated and grounded. Also guys, just because you cannot wear those clothes that are choking you doesn't mean that you walk around in gunny sacks and baggy clothes. Truly, the secret is to get that right fit. And also, the biggest secret is that a man in a crisp shirt with folded sleeves is irresistible. So I hope aapko samajh aaya and you get it right the next time. It looked like a highlighter had taken human form and walked into my date to highlight the blunder that I was about to make. Okay, I give up. I give up. After babying Rachit for so many days about fashion basics and do's and don'ts, guess what he decides to wear to a brunch date that I had so lovingly organized? a neon t-shirt with a neon bomber jacket. It looked like a highlighter had taken human form and walked into my date to highlight the blunder that I was about to make. Neon on neon? Why do you do this, guys? Let me clarify. I don't hate neon, guys. But you have to admit that it's a bit too overwhelming. So if you decide to wear a super colorful, bright neon outfit to a date, I won't be able to look at your face because I'm going to be blinded by your clothes. No, seriously, guys, if your outfit is drawing all the focus, nobody is going to be able to concentrate on what you're saying or what your personality is. And God forbid, if the restaurant is dimly lit, then you're going to look like a firefly, a glowing firefly just walked in. And you don't want that. Seriously, I do not understand this new abomination called the neon bomber jacket. So if you are unceremoniously dumped by your date that you were gelling really well with, it was the jacket, not you. No neon on dates, please, guys. I hope and pray you get it right the next time. We were sitting there, he took his jacket off, and there it was. So I'm back in the dating world again. Yup, that happened. I mean, Vishal was great and he really did set all the expectations way up there. But you know, some things just don't pan out. And all these expectations came crashing down on my last Friday date. We were sitting there, he took his jacket off, and there it was. A t-shirt with a tie-shaped design which was shiny, sparkly, crystally bling. It's 2020, guys! Bring the bling down! You know, I never understand what to make of a guy who's just so much about the bling. I mean, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to light up the room when you walk in, or are you trying to light up my face or something like that? Hey, I get it. You're trying to make your personality shine. But if your clothes are shinier than my jewelry, we have a problem. If you really have to go the bling way, make sure you keep it understated. Go for a shiny watch or maybe a tasteful ring. And if you really need to wear a shiny chain or something, make sure your personality is like that of a gangster rapper. Anything that is in your wardrobe with embellishments or sparkly surfaces, just get rid of it and never wear it again. Because the golden rule when it comes to bling is to keep it minimal. If you're so avara, please take it somewhere else because I'm not interested. Guys, are you wondering why I'm doing yoga? Well, this is a new habit that I'm inculcating in my life these days because my Friday dates need me to hit my Zen mode. Of course, you remember how disastrous last week's date was, right? But this week I had great hopes from this new guy called Vishal. So there I was, sitting in a romantic restaurant, looking like a dream, and in walks Vishal. And you will not believe what he was wearing. He was wearing a graphic t-shirt that had Avara Hoon written across his chest. Did you guys not know that joke t-shirts are not funny? So boys, if you plan to wear a t-shirt that says Via Agra or Avara Hoon on your first date, please know that you are surely going to get dumped. I mean, make me laugh with your words and not with what you're wearing. Really, if you're so avara, please take it somewhere else because I'm not interested. Guys, there are so many ways of bringing out your fun side on a date. You can go for a plain t-shirt and wear a blazer on top. That is such a clean, classic look. Or you can wear a bright checkered shirt for a casual date. In fact, you can also try wearing a bomber jacket with a button-down shirt because that is hot. So, the next time you decide to wear a t-shirt that says, I don't know, save water, drink beer, or maybe something like, I'm not lazy, I just don't give a shit. Please remember that no one gives a shit if you decide to treat yourself like a billboard. And here's me hoping that you get it right the next time.
Please watch more of our videos and subscribe to our channel.